everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my right, we're looking at a brand new restaurant hood. Okay, this is going to be a 4-foot hood for restaurant use, all stainless steel. Before we get started on more, I want to go ahead and measure this hood for you. All measurements. Okay, so 4 foot in length, 48 inches. From side to side, you're looking at a total of about 47 and a half. All right, and top to bottom or bottom to the top, once mounted, you're looking at 26 inches. Okay, so those are your measurements for this hood right here for restaurant use. Now, another thing about this hood is that it's going to be all NSF certified. We can locate those certifications on the inside. Okay, there's going to be a sticker on this inside with your NSF. Also, you can open up right here and you can see the NSF and UL printed on them. Okay, so that's going to have the certification as well. And we will have another sticker on the side of this hood that will show the NSF certification as well as a brand, which is our own company brand, Cooler Depot. Okay, so I also want to go ahead and show you the back. Obviously, with where all the smoke comes out through, the opening on the back, I'm going to measure that for you. You're looking at about 14 inches by 10, and the overall piece is 16 by 12. All right, so that's the measurements for the back output, obviously where all the smoke goes out through. This is going to be a 4-foot NSF certified restaurant use hood. Okay, if you're interested in one of these hoods, go on our website, coolerdepot.usa.com. You can make a purchase on the website. Price will be on the website. All the info is on the website. If you have any other questions regarding this size or maybe another size, you can also give us a call. We'll help you guys out. Thank you for watching.